Hi guys. Like I said, I'll be coming live at 6 p.m. Here I am. Hello everyone. Hi. So in my last interview, I discovered there's something called there's like a question mark. So I guess all the questions come over there. So I'll definitely look at you guys' questions and answer them. I know a lot of you have been requesting me to come live on my birthday, but like I said, I won't be going live on my birthday. It's one day before my birthday, and I said I will go live one day before my birthday because I really want to hi Drashti. I really want to enjoy and celebrate my birthday. So yes, here I am, all you wonderful people. Drashti, what plans tonight? I don't know, just in my PJs. Okay. Rajiv, hello. I miss you too. Oh man, if I was in London, how awesome would it be? Drashti, stop it. Happy birthday in advance, M Surbi 19. Yes, Drashti, you can come and meet me. Hi, Abhas. Okay, now I just have all my friends being silly on live. Yes, Drashti, I said you can come and see me. Sorry guys, being very silly about this whole situation. Okay, I'm gonna go to the question wala section. I don't know, I've never done this. Rajiv, that's a really long flight to come see me. In the midst of a global pandemic, I'm sure you don't want to do that. Okay, let me see. Going to the questions. Okay, I have Rajiv's question that says, Sanaya, can you come to London? I miss you. Yes, Rajiv, I promise you, the minute it becomes a little safe to travel, I will be the first one doing that. I miss you too. How do you stay? Okay, so or underscore batao says, how do you stay positive and cheerful? And happy birthday to my idol in advance. When we all try to stay positive and cheerful. Isn't that I just feel like I feel like everyone's aim in life should just be to be happy, and every time it's something different that makes you happy. It's not only one thing makes you happy. So I just try to do things that really satisfy my soul, and I think when you follow that path in life, you'll automatically be positive and happy in life because you're doing things that truly do make you happy. So that's my mantra. And that being said, we all have good days, we have bad days. I'm not the best person in the world, and I just work on becoming a better version of myself every single day. That's what I do. Okay, what's my favorite travel destination? Leah Ismail asked me. Leah, actually, I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name right, but sorry if my pronunciation is wrong. Leah, I don't have a favorite because it's really hard to pick. I think when somebody loves traveling so much, it's very, very hard to pick one destination. But I will say that my trip to Spain, I think, was my most fun trip. So I really, really enjoyed Spain, but I'm not saying that's my most favorite destination. How did you survive and go through hard times? R Sung 26 asked me this question. So R Sung, like I said, I'm a big believer in time. Sabka time aata hai aur jata bhi hai. And I think if you cherish the wonderful time in your life, you have to somewhere be ready for difficulties that will come in your life. But I think what I always look at is whenever something hard happens or something bad happens to me that I feel is bad, I think it's very important to just take a look at people who don't even have as much as you do. And that just makes you feel so much better. So I think from feeling bad and having hard times, I just translate into becoming extremely grateful for what I have. Because everybody, if you look around, you will definitely have something more than somebody else. And you just need to be grateful for that. And It's how you want to look at it, and I think that's how I look at life. Hard times are hard, they're very, very hard, but I think you just have to stay very focused on what you want from your life and how you want to deal with it. Because I think panicking, becoming sad, going into your cocoon is not going to make it any easier. Honestly, you just have to deal with it. It comes and it goes, and then there are good times. And I think more than the good times, it's always the hard times that we will remember in life. So that's something that we should just keep with us. How am I going to celebrate my birthday? Neha asked me. Just with some close friends. I mean, we are really in the midst of a global pandemic, so there's not much. I think tonight, tomorrow night, different sets of people, because not everybody is comfortable meeting each other. And I'm not really doing a celebration. It's just whoever wants to come, whoever wants to wish me can come and wish me. Of course, Mohit and me are being extremely, extremely cautious also. So also because Mohit works. And I think everyone should keep that. Like I keep telling all my friends, I was like, he goes to set every day. It's not really safe. So, won't be able to meet my parents this birthday, which is actually the most heartbreaking thing. Okay, it's me, Ahana. What's my favorite song? Honestly, Ahana, I'm just not that kind of person who has a favorite. So when people ask me what's my favorite movie, what's my favorite song, also I have terrible memory, so I can't really think of anything. So no favorite song. Noitzmure. I don't know. I'm pronouncing it absolutely wrong. Any new show with Barun? No, there is no new show with Barun. And I promise you guys, when there is, everybody will know about it. Reni Saluja asked me, are you still in touch with Mile Jab Hum Tum friends? No, I'm not in touch with everybody from Mile Jab Hum Tum. There are a few people from production, there are a few creatives, obviously in touch with Arjun, but yeah, that's about it. And Mohit is my husband, just in case. A Monaya fan asked, please ask Mohit to join. Sweetheart, I would love to ask him to join, but he is not here. He is shooting, though he should be coming home anytime soon. If he does come before my live ends, I will ask him to join. Sangeeta Singh Chauhan said, happy birthday! Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you for all your wishes, all the love. Having Tekken 67 said, how old are you? You're not supposed to ask a girl her age, but if you just want to, you can Wikipedia it. I don't know if it's actually right over there. I have no idea. Okay, I'm going to take some interesting questions. Bollywood Blonde asked me, who is your favorite co-star you have ever worked with? Like I said, guys, I don't really have a favorite. I'm just not that kind of person who has one favorite thing, one favorite movie, one favorite song, one best friend. I just like so many things. I think every co-star brings something so different to the table. They are so different. Everyone has a different kind of talent. So I actually enjoy how different each of my co-stars are from the other. But that being said, obviously I had a lot of fun with Mohit, considering he's my husband and we got married. Barun, had a lot of fun with Barun. Shivam, he's a sweetheart. He was with me in Ghost. Absolutely sweet. And who else? What else did I do? Yeah, I mean, I had really a lot of fun with these guys. So when will I come back to TV? We miss you, says Suj Draws. I don't know what your name is, but is it Suj or is it Draws? But I really hope I get something that I'm looking for. And like I said, whatever I get, as long as it's what I'm looking for, it doesn't matter which platform it is. I have no issues with any platform. I just want to act. Okay, Diva Priya said, Happy birthday, Sana. I'm a very big fan of you from IK and we wish you a very all successful life. Thank you so much. Mwah. Shravya Chala said, Advance happy birthday, Di. Guys, okay, there are like a lot of questions, so I'm actually just going to like read the questions that I find interesting and I do want to answer. In the meanwhile, I again want to say this because a lot of you are wishing me happy birthday. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I feel very blessed and very loved. HRAM2 asked me, how many languages do I know? Oh my god. Just about know Hindi and I know English and I used to know French, but because of my also amazing memory, I don't know that any longer. Anu Chiku asked, what would your outfit of the day be for your birthday? Anu, I just want to tell you it's 2020 and I'm not giving it any importance. I have literally lived in my PJs in 2020 and I think that's what I'm going to like be bringing in my birthday with. No importance to 2020. Not dressing up for you. I am Satya asked, have you ever watched any Telugu film? If you have watched, what was it? No, I'm so sorry, I haven't watched any Telugu film, so yeah. How have Ume7170, how have you been during quarantine? Well, same. I think we've reached a point where I've had all phases, phases of the fear of the virus, phases of just watching the news all day and night, phases of being extra panicky, and I think phases of like now being like, okay, now we have to live with it. So quarantine has been, how can anyone's quarantine be, honestly? It's not been great, but like I said, being grateful for what I have, because I have so much more than what other people have, and I know how hard it has been on so many people, so just been grateful. Mohammed Dhanadhan asked, why am I 2 minutes late? Mohammed, I'm very sorry. I will tell you why I was 2 minutes late, because I was eating this protein bar. Yeah, that's right. It has chocolate and there was chocolate like stuck between my teeth, so that would not be a pretty sight. So I was like gargling before the live. Yeah, that's why I'm 2 minutes late. Rokaya Hassan, what experiences do you think people will learn after this pandemic is over? Well, I think everyone has had different experiences. I cannot speak for anybody. I think everyone has their own learning. But in a way, it's really been a time, I don't know if everybody has reflected upon themselves or life, but I'm pretty sure people have. So, honestly, it's different for everybody. Everyone is a different individual and to each is their own. But I'm sure a lot of people have reflected on a lot of things and hopefully it'll just make them look at life a little differently. Am I planning to come to Turkey? I want to see you. Corona, please get out and leave us. Lol, says Yasmin. How cute. Yasmin, as you know, I love traveling. So I really hope that I come to Turkey very, very soon. But yes, like you said, Corona, please get out and leave us. Neha975 Singh has asked me, how has the quarantine changed me? Honestly, Neha, it hasn't changed much, because I think I've just, like, me as a person, like I said, I'm very spiritual. I like I said, work on becoming a better version of myself every single day. So I feel like the quarantine hasn't really changed anything in me as a person. I'm still doing pretty much the same thing. What it has done is made my life a little more boring, and want to get done with 2020. Okay. Husama said, we are really missing you on screen and happy birthday. Husama, trust me, I'm missing myself on screen too. And I really hope and I pray that I get the kind of work that I want to do, and I will be back. Have you ever been fasting Karwa Chauth? Is what Rima 262 has asked me. Rima, I only did the first Karwa Chauth after my wedding because I just felt that it is something that I think Mohit is like grown up seeing his family do, you know, so I wanted him to like, you know, maybe experience it. But honestly, nor does Mohit and nor do I really believe in these kind of things. So yeah, I just fasted for the first year, and after that, binge. You prefer to sleep early or stay up late? It's kind of like an in-between thing, but I like staying up. Like, I feel like the night time, again, Rima asked me this question. I feel like the night time is just so much more quiet, no phone calls, no people bothering you. You really get time with yourself and your partner. And of course, now that Mohit is working, we do stay up a little more. Of course, he comes back tired, but he really does want to spend time with me. So, yeah. Shriya Prabhakar asked me, why did it take you so long to cut your husband's hair? Honestly, Shriya, I think the answer to that is I suck. But that being said, I also have a husband who's very particular about what he wants, and he was very particular that I had to follow a guide which I kept losing. So that's why it took so long. Nagin Post asked, hi ma'am, what do you think about Mohit and Nagin? I'm very happy Mohit is working. I think when actors finally get to act and do what they love the most, it makes them so happy. And yeah, if husband is happy, wife is very happy. Okay. Next project, Bhumika Gala asked me, next project I'm going to work on. You know, Bhumika, I'm just going to send this out in the universe. Something awesome on maybe Netflix or Amazon, maybe an awesome film, maybe Hollywood, you know, but yeah, just sending it out to the universe. Yafa asked a role that I wish I do one day. Yafa, I have such bad memory, but I will say this, like when I'm a big TV junkie, like I love watching shows and films, and there are so many. Like when I watch stuff, I'm like, I remember when I was watching Killing Eve, I was like, I want to do that. I want to do that. I want to do that character. Not the cop, the one who kills people. I remember when I watched The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel, I was like, wow, that would be an awesome role to do. Gone Girl, the film, I remember being like, why doesn't anyone make something like that here? So there are so many, you know, like when you're watching it, you're like craving to do it, that kind of work. So yeah, the list is actually endless, but also because of my bad memory, I can't remember much. Okay. Sanaya Irani _Arabic said, what do you have to say to your Arabic fans? Happy birthday, we love you. Well, I love you too, guys. Thank you so much. You know, I have received so much love from all parts of the world that I can't even express how grateful I am for it. So many different countries and so many people with such good, kind wishes for me that I just feel extremely overwhelmed. So I love you too, guys. Thank you. What kind of web series next do you wanna do? Team Sanaya Holics. Like I said, like when I watch, um, like, oh God, like, Killing Eve, or like I said, The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. Um, I'm watching The Office. I'm so late on it, late in watching it, but I love it. I absolutely love it. Also, I'm watching Succession, which is so good. So there's so much like that I want to do, and what were the? I'm trying to think. What were the Hindi web series that I really liked? I loved Mirzapur. I absolutely loved that show. What else did I like? Why isn't anything coming to mind? Sorry, nothing's coming to mind. Uh, Adhika Kaushal asks, now that Mohit is doing fantasy fiction show, will you also be able to do such a show? I don't know what Mohit having to do a show is, how it is connected to me. We are two very different individuals with very different choices in life. But I absolutely love fantasy shows. I think they're made so well. But that being said, like I've watched a lot of fantasy shows growing up. But that being said, I feel like India needs to I think we need to push it up like one notch higher when it comes to things like VFX and like actually making it so believable. So I'm like, I feel like when something is believable, that's when it truly connects with you. So I feel like when that one notch extra is pushed, then maybe I would be open to doing it. Or maybe I would be open to doing it tomorrow. You never know. Things change, people change. Bhagya Anikumar asked me, hi Sanaya, what is your biggest or weirdest fear? I think fear or afraid. I'm afraid of cockroaches, like petrified of them. I just hate them. They're just not nice. I'm sorry, cockroaches, but yeah. And I think fear is like the fear of losing somebody that I love, like the people who are close to me. But that being said, you know what? Like my dad says, when you gotta go, baby. And I think that is something we have to accept about life is death. And of course, it's the worst thing ever, especially when it happens to people that you love. But yeah, it's kind of a fear. Yeah, it is. And also the fear of the dark. I hate the dark. Absolutely hate it. Okay. Okay. Okay, am I like... Okay, I don't know what I did to the questions. I'm sorry, I clicked on something else. Okay, I clicked on more questions. Okay, Anuradha Gavande asked me, why don't you tell your meal plan? I wanted to be like you. Hi Anuradha. So my meal plan is actually really simple. It's like basic Indian dal sabzi roti wala food in the day, and at night we do something different. I'll do like Mexican, or I'll do Italian, or I just like whipping up something different. We try to be on the healthier side, Mohit and me, and that's not because we want to be thin. It's because we just want to be healthy. It's important to be healthy in life and eat the right kind of food. So yeah, I mean, just like Mohit and me are trying. We are not fully vegan, but we are trying to be vegan. So we are kind of like fake vegans. But yeah, and honestly, I surprised myself. I never thought that I would be able to pull through, but it's been 9 months. I'm very proud of myself. Sanaya, what is your pet peeve? R Sung 26 asked me, what is my pet peeve? I don't know, yeah. Honestly, like, see, I don't know. I don't know. I guess bad breath, body odor. Also, not good people, if that falls in a pet peeve. I think the fact that it doesn't matter how a person smells or looks. If they're just not nice, they're just not nice. I don't like such people. I like nice people, happy people, people who are kind to other people. It's very, very important. So, yeah. R Sung is sending me love from LA. Stay safe and successful. Thank you. I hope to do that. Also, R Sung asked me, do I watch Friends? Do I watch Friends? No, I binge watch Friends. So, Chami asked, have you and Mohit turned vegan? Chami, I earlier answered, yes, we have, but we're kind of like fake vegans. Like I said, kabhi kabhi, like, I love pizzas. I'm not giving it up, and I don't want to eat a vegan pizza. I want to eat the cheese on the pizza. But we definitely don't eat non-vegetarian. So that is something that we definitely don't eat. But we cheat on stuff like sometimes on dairy stuff. That's what we cheat on. Okay. Rati Pandey 2020. I think you're a really big fan of Rati because you have lots of questions for Rati. Tell your bond with Rati. Honestly, I don't have a bond with her. I am not in touch with her. But that being said, I will always wish well for her and hope she's happy. Tell your favorite memory from MJHT. Again, you're asking me something about memory. Very, very hard to remember. But we've had good times. We've had lots of good times. Lots of fun. Don't really remember in particular. But also, I met my husband there. So, yeah, the best. Okay. Okay, Swapnil Divedi 45 asked me, okay, a lot of people want to know about my friendship with Rati. Guys, I don't have a friendship with Rati. We were friends during the show and we aren't any longer. Yeah, I mean, I don't have an enmity with her. When I meet her like I would meet her during how we used to meet during the shoot. So, yeah, I mean, she's not my friend. She's not in my friend circle, but that doesn't mean that she's my enemy. So, someone be ready, said Sanaya, ma'am, I think after 60 years, you will be same and gorgeous. Well, Saman, I really hope so. I have nobody but my mom and dad to thank because I have like no doing or saying in how I look or how I am growing to look. It's all them, it's all genetics, and I feel very blessed. Considering I'm in this field, it's great that I'm aging like fine wine. Sorry guys, I have a breathing problem, so I keep doing that. A country you would like to visit after COVID-19? Honestly, sorry, Yasomi12 asked me this question. Honestly, Yasomi, America. I just can't wait to go see my nephew. I feel like he's growing up and I'm not there, so that's pretty much the first place I will be going to. Sanchit Garg asked me, do I believe in afterlife? Yes, I do, Sanchit. I do. I do believe in an afterlife. I do believe that I had a previous life. I believe in all of that, but that's just my belief. ITZ Farhu asked me, which team do I support in IPL? Guess what? I don't watch cricket, so I have no idea who the teams are, and yeah, I'm sorry. I know India is obsessed with cricket, but not. Um, okay. Soumya004 asked me biggest life lesson learned. Honestly, I think you learn so many lessons in life, and you should embrace each one of those lessons. But I don't know, I have like mantras like in life. I just feel like I always say things like, you live and you learn. In the sense like you make mistakes, you live those mistakes, and you learn. And we're just human beings, we're not God. So I feel like those are things like, that's something that I always say. Also, I always say, like, believe in the magic of the universe. I really do. I really believe in the magic of the universe, and I like following that mantra. I feel like I have seen a little bit of magic in my life. If you were to have a role in Hollywood, what type of genre would you want to do? Any, honestly, any. Don't really, again, like a lot of people ask me about genres. As an audience, I enjoy all of them equally. So as an actor, I'm like doubly kicked to be doing, an actor. I feel like I don't have a favorite. I feel like you just want to go out there and explore each and every one. So yeah, like, I'm happy with anything. What do you want to change in Indian productions? Team Sanaya asked. I mean, honestly, every production I've had a different experience with. So it's not like productions only function in one way and every production functions in that way. And like I said, like these things, productions are made out of people. There are people producing, there are people working for other people. So it's all dependent on the kind of people that you work with. I think if the people that you work with are good, kind, wonderful people, that process becomes really good with a certain production house. But with other production houses, you meet people who are not very nice and kind, and like, your experience isn't good. So it's, it doesn't work in one way. Every time it's something different. Rokaya Hassan said, your hair looks gorgeous just like you. Thank you, Rokaya. It is all thanks to this wonderful Dyson. I absolutely love it, guys. As you all know, I have really curly and really frizzy hair, and a hair iron is a must in my life, at least. So, and this is awesome. This one is just awesome. Shubhanki 98 asked, how does yoga change your day? Honestly, I think yoga is just made me such a focused person. I was just such a distracted person, and like when I do yoga, that is my time. Like no right, no left, no nothing. Ghar mein kuch bhi ho jaye, koi kuch bhi bole. Because I think yoga has so much to do with that breathing and staying in the pose. And of course, you're in a lot of pain, but you're just trying to breathe into it. So I love it. I think it's made me so focused, and it's also made me that kind of a person where I just want to push myself a little more. I'm not flexible at all. I'm just not a flexible person at all. But I try. I'm slowly being able to do little things in yoga. So yeah, I love it. Uh, Razan Muhammad for 477 asked me, do I know how to speak in Arabic? No, I don't, unfortunately. Like I said, English and just about Hindi. Hala Vrushti asked, hi, I'm 14 from UK. What inspired you to get into Dyson? I'm not into Dyson, but their products really are one of a kind. Like I feel like so much thought is gone behind each of their products, and the thought comes like they make their products so consumer friendly and so easy on the consumer that I just like I love it. Like I feel like with the Dyson you can't go wrong. It really is one of like the best companies. Like there is not one thing of Dyson's that I have that I feel like it's okay, or it's I could have got another product that'll do the same job. They just I don't know what it is, but it's amazing. I absolutely love their products. Dancing Lady 6 said, please gain some weight, tell Mohit to. Okay, Dancing Lady, let me tell you that I do the best I can. Honestly, I don't know. I'm just genetically like that. Gaining weight is really not in my hands. But I will tell Mohit, and honestly I feel like Mohit and me both have lost a lot of weight, because I mentioned this earlier, we both were really sick for like 5 days, and we lost so much weight in those 5 days. And of course, Mohit had to get back to shoot soon after that, so of course on shoot the eating, the all of that, it's not the same. But मैं मोहित को, this is to all the fans who are telling me please tell Mohit to put on weight, I promise you guys मैं उसको अच्छे से खिला रही हूँ. But yeah, I think we were just really sick and we lost a lot of weight. When it comes to me, I just can't do anything. I don't put on weight. This is how I am. It's not going to change. That's it. Period. Finished. Why don't you start a YouTube channel with your recipes and stuff? Sorry. You will be amazing, said Priyanka K995. Priyanka, honestly, I've thought so much about starting a YouTube channel because I love interacting. I love talking, as you all know. So I think it would be like a really fun thing for me to do. But it wouldn't necessarily be only cooking, because cooking is exhausting. It's really tiring. And like I think like if I did something on YouTube, I would want my audiences to experience a lot of other things that I also do. So yeah, hopefully sometime in the future, I've always had this in mind. Maybe I will. Oh, by the way, guys, a lot of you guys were asking me when Mohit posted this oats thing, what is it that Mohit is eating? Well, it's very simple. It was nothing. It was just baked oatmeal. I just took oatmeal. I took milk, of course, nut milk I took. Put in a lot of berries, whatever berries I had, and popped it in the oven and baked it. The amazing part of it is, firstly, it comes out just so warm and like it's just so cozy. And when the berries like actually like burst in there and their juices come out, it tastes amazing. So that's what I made for him. It was a baked oatmeal with berries inside it, and it was absolutely fabulous. What else? A lot of people have also been asking me. I've been receiving like a lot of products, and I'm also really excited to try all of them. I'm very into like everything that is natural, like even when it comes to like my shampoos, my conditioners, my face things. I'm not very much into skincare, but honestly, this lockdown has completely changed me. I have been taking like, because I've received so much stuff, I'm like, I should use all of this stuff. And it really does make a difference. It feels amazing. So, of course, it takes time for a product to finish. It takes time for me to start another product. When I do come across a product that I really love, or I've really liked, I'll definitely put it on my story and tell you guys that this one is a must buy or this one is great. I'll definitely let you guys know. What was the last book you read and which is your all-time favorite? Asked me Reshu. Reshu, I am currently reading the autobiography of a yogi. And I really like it, but I still have a long way to go. And I love books like, I'm not much of a reader. I just read like a lot of spiritual stuff. So Journey of Souls, Destiny of Souls. I absolutely love these books. They just make me, these books actually, when I read them, I feel like, okay, so what I believe in is not wrong. It does exist. So yeah. Sanaya Rani Arabic said, watch The Crown. If you didn't, it's so good. Trust me, I have watched The Crown, but for some reason, Mohit and me lost touch. I hate it, like when seasons come and then you have to wait for the next season. By the time the next season comes, I've already forgotten what happened in the previous season. I moved on to something else. So I'm very much like a binge watcher. Like all seasons ho to main dekhu. But yes, I have watched The Crown and it is fab. Chandresh MSD asked me, ma'am, please tell us what was your dream job? What is? I'm living my dream. I'm an actor and this could be the best thing that I could have asked for. So yeah, living the dream. Okay. Okay, so many questions. I feel like I have to do another live at some other point. But guys, I hope I answered as many as I could now that I've figured out the question section out here. Flawless Flamingo asked me, how do I react to negative comments? I think people who just aim at being positive and happy in life don't really let the negative comments affect them. And to be honest, I really don't get affected. Yeah, like maybe, I don't know. I just don't care. I honestly don't care. And I feel like it's coming from somebody I don't know and somebody who doesn't know me. So like if you don't have anything nice to say, I don't want to hear what else you have to say. I mean, who cares? Tell me something nice, I'll smile, I'll be happy, I'll send you love, I'll send you a like. Troll me, I don't care. Okay. Adios. I'm gonna go, guys, because this has been like a 45-minute live and I hope I answered as many questions that I could. Once again, thank you very, very, very much, everybody, for all the love, for all the wishes. I feel so grateful and so happy that all of you guys are a part of my life. And I hope that I made a lot of you smile and a lot of you happy, because a lot of you were saying that please come on your birthday. So I hope I fulfilled your wishes too. And yeah, I guess till next time, bye. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much. A little slow in ending. Just going to. Okay, Amruta 99 said, please don't say bye. But I have to go. Please. Drashti, you still on my life? Baby? Come on now. Okay. Bye, lovelies. Thank you everyone. I hope I made somebody's day better. I hope I brought a smile on somebody's face. Life is beautiful. Just remember that. Mwah. Bye bye.